to Seritah Sunshine YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to do how to ice cake using the cream method. Yeah, I have my 2 cakes here. I'll use them to, I'll put like this, then it will have 2 layers. Then I have my cream, 2 glasses of cream. Then I have my icing sugar, 1 glass of icing sugar. Then I have my 1 glass of water and a bowl to mix on. Then I have my mixer here. It will help me in mixing the cream. Come with me, guys. Okay, the cake I'm preparing, it's for my friend who is having an engagement tomorrow. Actually, it's the guy who takes my videos, my videographer. He's having an engagement tomorrow and he gave me an order to bake and decorate cake for him tomorrow. So I'll go with you guys. I'll show you how it will be. Come with me, guys. Let's decorate the cake together and we are going to take it with you. We're going to start our process. Let me put this one here for the time being. So we are going to start our process. I normally put this one here to avoid the bowl from shaking. Yeah, so I have my spatula here. The table is clean. I'll start by adding water. Yeah, let me try with half first. I'll add as we continue. Then I put some powder. Let me come closer. First you mix with spatula before you use the mixer. You do like that, then you can add some icing sugar. The reason we use spatula first is to avoid the mixer from blowing the powder. You know, when it's in powder form, it's easily blown. Now guys, you can see it's mixed. Now we use the mixer so that it can do on a high speed. I have to go with you here because I have to use power and my cable is not that long, so I'll just use here. We have to check it whether it's ready, guys. You can see not yet, so we continue beating for a little bit. Guys, you can see my cream is ready. So guys, you can see my mixture is ready now. It's ready, so I have to divide it. I have to divide and take some because of the decoration. Yeah, this one I'll use a pink color. It will go round. Yeah, that should be enough to decorate the ring of the cake. Let me take the cake. The ring of the cake and the flowers. Yeah, that should be enough. And I have my turntable here. Let me put this one here first. I have my turntable, so I'm going to apply here. I'll use my spatula. I have this one, it's small, it's comfortable. I'll spread on the cake, then it will be nice. Yeah. So guys, you can see my first layer of cake is okay now. You can see how smooth it is. You can see that's my cake. So guys, I also have some skewers. I'll take this one is normally used to support the height of the cake so that it does not break the base cake. So you measure, let me show you how you measure. You do like this, so you approximate the cake will be up to this size, then you break it like this. Of course, when you get the first one, you can see now it will support the cake. Now you can use this one. You see, I need like 6 of them. Then you put them here around where you are going to place your cake so that it will support it. So I'll put here, push down, yeah, that way. Then I'll use the other one somewhere here, push it down. Now you do the same procedure. So guys, you can see my cake is almost guys. Now I'm remaining with the top here. Let me show you how to do it. So guys, here I put some color, pink color, because it's for the lady. Engagement normally I prefer to be the lady's color, and the guy had told me his girlfriend's color, pink. So I put some color here, so I'm going to decorate here. Wait for the final result, guys. You'll be happy. You see, now it's fully mixed. Yeah, it's ready. So guys, start from here. We decorate our cake. I hope you like my cake, guys. You can see how beautiful it is. This is my final product, guys. Look at the cake. It will be nice. Guys, comment down below and tell me how the cake looks like. You see? Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you another time. Kindly subscribe, like, share, put on the notification bell so that anytime I put a new video, you'll get notified. Thank you guys. I love you.